In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant not updating. So one of the things that you can do is simply restarting the Riot client. If the Riot client example is running, just make sure to go and exit that. And simply just go and run it again. If it's run again and you go to Valorant, if it still has example updates and you cannot add it, make sure to go on example and even close Riot client from the task manager. Open task manager, you can use Control Shift Escape or click on right here left click or right click actually and click on task manager and look basically for Riot client. If you have it, just go and end task. Make sure to do not remove the Vanguard. Vanguard, if you remove it, you'll have to restart your PC. So you'll not be able to play Valorant without the Vanguard. So you just go here and open Riot again, and this should fix the problem. This is of course one of the other options, of some options. Other than that, you can go and look for clients. Of course, make sure to close it again first. And once you look for Riot, you can go and run it as administrator. Make sure to run it as administrator. Maybe it doesn't have the right permissions, so running it as administrator gives it all the permission that it needs. Other than that, you can go and check, as example, your internet. Maybe you don't have internet working, you can go and check any browser, or temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Or you can add an example, write client service.exe and Valorant exe to your firewall exception list if you have, an example, a strict firewall. Also, you can try to delete the clear example, the Riot's client cache. You can go to the cache where you'll be able to find it. You can simply go to your C folder and simply look for Riot client. So you can go and look for Riot games, and in here, example, Riot client, and look for cache. Or basically the folder will be named either cache or config. So you can look for both. Look for config, you didn't find it, look for cache. And if you didn't find this example, that means it's already deleted. For me, I delete cache regularly, so that's why I didn't find it. So if you delete that, just go and restart the Riot client and it should be good to go. And the last option, if nothing works, you can just go and install the Riot client on your program. So you can go to your basically files or apps, click on installed apps, remove it from here, example, and click on install. This is Valorant. So make sure to delete Valorant and also Riot client, and then go and reinstall it again from Valorant. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.